Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin cream cheese marble pie. It's a pumpkin pie with a delicious cream cheese filling swirled into it. I'm going to be posting a new pie recipe every day this week, so stay tuned for more pie recipes. And you can also check out more pie recipes by checking out my playlist, which I'll link to up here or in the description box. So let's get started. First, you're going to need a pie crust. I'll link to a few recipes in the description box. You can also just buy it ready-made, but I wouldn't. And a big problem with pie making is an underbaked or soggy pie crust, so make sure to check out my pie crust troubleshooting video to see how to prevent and fix it. Keep the crust in the fridge so it stays cold, and then we'll work on the filling. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then into a large bowl, add in the eggs and sugar. Beat them with a whisk until they're combined. Then add in the cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, salt, and vanilla extract, and whisk them until they're combined. Then add in the pumpkin puree. Make sure it's pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie mix. Mix it until it's combined. Then add in the half and half, or you can use heavy cream, whole milk, or evaporated milk. And mix it in until it's combined. Then to make the cream cheese filling, in a medium bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer until it's combined and smooth. Then add in the egg and vanilla extract. Beat them in until they're combined. And finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients. Pour about 3/4 of the pumpkin pie filling into the pan with the chilled pie crust. You won't need all of the filling because the cream cheese filling uses up space in the pan. So you can either make a separate smaller pie, which is what I'm doing, or you can make a 10-inch pie. Add small spoonfuls of the cream cheese filling on top of it. Then use a chopstick, skewer, or the back of a knife to marble them. Then bake it in the oven for about 45 to 55 minutes until it's set and golden brown on top. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes. And you can serve it warm or cold. Because pumpkin pie is a baked custard pie, it's best served cold. And that's how to make a pumpkin cream cheese marble pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.